My name is Alex. I'm a freelance tour guide in Paris.
My name is Dami from London. I loved my tour in Montmarte today because it was early in the morning, there was barely anybody around, you could see everything, so it was super interesting. I've learned so much from Alex this morning. All the crazy stories of the artists and what they did. Super interesting.
Telling the stories of the people in the neighborhood, the different phases, that's been my favorite so far.
I really like the fact that there were only 6 people in the group. It was a very small group, so therefore we could really connect with the tour guide and we could just get to know each other a little bit. It was a better setting.
You can walk into cafes, you can walk down the street. You don't feel like you're disrupting anything. You're really just being a kind of fly on the wall in the neighborhood, almost seeing it as it is.